How to use quantum AI to predict Bitcoin's next move. Tired of guessing Bitcoin's next move? What if you could leverage the power of quantum computing to gain an edge? Let's explore how quantum AI is revolutionizing crypto trading. Quantum AI isn't just another buzzword. It's a cutting-edge field combining quantum computing and artificial intelligence. This powerful combination can analyze vast data sets and identify patterns that are impossible for classical computers to detect. Quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This allows them to perform complex calculations much faster than traditional computers. This speed and power are crucial for analyzing the volatile crypto market. Quantum AI algorithms can process massive amounts of historical price data, social media sentiment, and news articles. This allows for more accurate predictions of future price movements. It's like having a superpowered crystal ball for crypto. So, how can quantum AI be applied to crypto trading? The possibilities are vast and rapidly evolving. Let's look at some key applications. One major application is price prediction. Quantum AI algorithms can analyze historical data to identify patterns and predict future price movements with greater accuracy. This can help traders make more informed decisions. Another application is risk management. Quantum AI can assess the risk associated with different trading strategies and help traders optimize their portfolios. This can minimize potential losses and maximize profits. Quantum AI can also be used for algorithmic trading. These algorithms can automatically execute trades based on predefined rules and market conditions. This can help traders take advantage of fleeting opportunities. Why should crypto traders consider using quantum AI? The benefits are significant and can provide a competitive advantage. Improved accuracy in price predictions is a major benefit. Quantum AI can analyze vast data sets and identify patterns that are invisible to the human eye. This leads to more accurate predictions and better trading decisions. Enhanced risk management is another key advantage. Quantum AI can assess the risk associated with different trading strategies and help traders optimize their portfolios. This can protect your capital and minimize losses. Increased efficiency is also a significant benefit. Quantum AI-powered trading algorithms can execute trades automatically, freeing up traders to focus on other tasks. This can save time and improve overall trading performance. While quantum AI offers immense potential, it's important to acknowledge the challenges and limitations. It's not a magic bullet, and there are hurdles to overcome. Access to quantum computing resources is still limited and expensive. Quantum computers are not yet widely available, and using them can be costly. This can be a barrier to entry for some traders. Data quality is crucial for accurate predictions. Quantum AI algorithms rely on high-quality data, and inaccurate or incomplete data can lead to poor results. Garbage in, garbage out, as they say. The crypto market is inherently volatile and unpredictable. Even with quantum AI, predicting future price movements with 100% accuracy is impossible. It's a tool to improve your odds, not a guarantee of success. Interested in exploring quantum AI for crypto trading? Here are some steps to get started. Research available quantum AI platforms and tools. Several companies are developing quantum AI solutions for the financial industry. Explore your options and find a platform that suits your needs. Start with small-scale experiments and testing. Don't invest all your capital in quantum AI-powered trading strategies right away. Start small and test the waters to see how it performs. Stay informed about the latest developments in quantum AI. The field is rapidly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest research and advancements. Continuous learning is key. Quantum AI is poised to revolutionize crypto trading, offering unprecedented predictive power and risk management capabilities. While challenges remain, the potential benefits are undeniable. Ready to take your crypto trading to the next level? Explore the world of quantum AI. Start by researching available platforms, experimenting with small-scale strategies, and staying informed about the latest advancements. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on cutting-edge crypto technologies, and connect for the free guide on quantum AI for crypto beginners. Visit the link in the description below to kickstart your journey today. Don't miss out on the future of trading. The future is quantum.